So I know all about Booklet, but who is Piglet?
All right. So I got to know about a girl from Nanded, which is in the rural interiors of Maharashtra. The girl lost both of her parents in the first wave of COVID. So her Masi took her responsibility. And in the second wave, she lost her Masi. And she's such a brilliant student. She scored 91% in 12th. She wanted to pursue medical. And she said, can you please help me? I don't even have an Android phone, smartphone to continue my education. I want to get admission. So of course, immediately through my friends, philanthropist friends, I got in touch with them and helped her. Now she's doing very well. And then I thought there must be hundreds and thousands of such needy students who are orphaned by COVID. And I thought that it is my national duty to help them. And fortunately, I was working on a project. I and Farid are working on this project since 2 years about creating questions based on the summaries that you read or listen in Booklet app. So I started thinking, how can I nicely blend this Q&A project with such a higher purpose of helping needy students? So Piglet is the friend of Booklet. Piglet is the piggy bank of India. So Aditya, for every right answer you give for the questions that I'll ask you in Booklet app, some certain amount of money will be given to such needy students. So whenever you are given right answer, some certain amount will be deposited in Piglet, which is the piggy bank of India, and you'll be helping in your way for the development of our nation. So the money will go to these needy students. So this is the whole idea.
Well, that is certainly very. It is a very interesting and a very noble cause, and we have to help as many people as we can in these COVID times. Many people are suffering. So, can you please tell me a little, as you said, like a certain amount of money will be given to needy students, but who are orphaned by COVID for every right answer given by the booklet readers. But from where will the money be raised? Will the booklet reader have to pay like for all this money?
Yeah, that here comes the most interesting part of the project. You, as a booklet reader, you don't have to take out a single rupee from your pocket. So I always have the habit, of finding creative solutions where money nicely syncs with the higher purpose, revenue nicely blends with a meaningful contribution. And I found that sweet spot. So the Q&A screen will have an ad at the bottom, that banner ad at the bottom. And for every 5 questions that you want to dig out, you'll have to watch a full screen ad which will pop up on the Q&A screen. So of course, it is up to you whether to watch it or skip it. I'm nobody to insist, but the money raised from Google Ads will be used for a higher purpose, like helping the needy students. So for every 5 questions, okay, there are almost 300 summaries in booklets on booklet server, and minimum I think 30 questions for each summary. So 30 questions into 300, 9,000 questions have been framed, and you can answer as many as you want, and for every right answer, certain money will be given to the needy students. So yeah, the ad revenue will be used for this purpose.
Okay, so that is very interesting because it works in two ways for my viewers. Uh, Sir is he's encouraging people to answer the questions and dive deeper into the books and learn
Yeah.
for themselves, and in turn that helps uh, them in contributing to the orphaned and the needy children out there. So it's a win-win situation, sir. And
You said it so well, Aditya. Helping for the development of motherland India by making India read. So it's solving my purpose. I'm not deviating from my why.
Yes, sir, you have been like proudly saying that there are like no irritating ads in Booklet app. Don't you think that you are you removing this one great value from your plethora of values?
Yes, I appreciate your courage to ask this question, Aditya. Um, Absolutely right. I've been proudly saying for all these years that Booklet app has no irritating ads, no subscription fees, nothing. And I stumbled upon a wonderful book. Let me show whether I have it. Yeah, Alchemy. Can you see it? Alchemy. It's
Yes.
a golden color cover. The Surprising Power of Ideas That Don't Make Sense by Rory Sutherland. There is one line and a concept, a full chapter based on that line, which says change in perception is worth 80 IQ points. Change in perception is worth 80 IQ points. And when I revisited this line, which I've been saying, irritating ads, Booklet app doesn't have any irritating ads. The key word here is irritating. How about if I change your perception towards ads, it not only becomes not irritating, but you have an epic meaning and calling for it now, which we have already discussed. Now the ads will not be irritating because you know you're working for something larger than yourself, right? The revenue will be used for those students who are orphaned by COVID. So yes, I think I'm still with my own words. Therefore, this is not irritating ads, but ads. And yeah, mind you, the ads will be only on the Q&A screens, not on your summary screen. So reading and listening will never be intervened by ads. That's my promise. But the ads will be only on the Q&A screen. So I hope that satisfies you.
Yes. Well, sir, you that is an interesting perspective of changing the perspective of the readers, and from changing ads from irritating to it's like my duty to watch the ad. So, sir, I am very keen to see the new Q&A screen in the Booklet app. Can you please show me like this feature of your app?
All right. I'm very excited about this new development as part of Booklet app. So if you can see the screen, uh, after all the parts, most of the summaries have three parts. This is My Planned Funeral, which is my own story. It has got four parts. There is one more tab after part four, which is Cause button. Once you click on Cause button, this will be the screen. This video will help you to know what are the features, how this Q&A screen will work. And then if I click on this, I want a developed India, you will get this Q&A screen. Okay. If you look at the Q&A screen on the top, there is a progress bar which has multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So as I said, there will be 30 questions. And after every 5 questions, there will be an ad pop-up. Okay. And now let's see. The question is, what words of his elder brother did the author remember when he was about to commit suicide? Right. So can you see this cute piglet? So she's the friend of Booklet. And can you see the 3 money bags here, which show the letters A, B, and C? So these are the options. Okay? 3 options, out of which 2 will be wrong, 1 will be right. So to read the options, we have to just tap on the money bag. So I'm reading this option A, and then I'll check option B and option C. Now I think that suppose option C is the right answer. So what I'll do is I long press on the money bag C and drag it and drop it into the piggy bank, that is piglet. And then, oh, the answer is wrong. So the piglet starts crying and she says that no, the right answer was B, option B. All right. And then you click on the next question and next and next. If the answer is right, the pig, she will start dancing. If she's wrong, she will start crying. There's a lot of fun. I'm sure you'll like the design. And so, as I said, only this screen will have a banner ad at the bottom and a full screen ad after every 5 questions. And after 30 questions, no, all the right answers will be converted into rupees, right? Depending on the exchange rate. I'll not get into the details of how the exchange rate is calculated. It's a complex mathematical model. Thanks to my CA studies, it has helped me to calculate those. But you'll get all the FAQs in the question mark symbol, which is there on the top right of the Q&A screen. I've put all the common questions there and the answers there. Yeah, so I hope this idea works. I'm very anxious about it because nobody has tried this idea till now in this world, in using the revenue from ads and then the exchange rate. So it's pretty complex idea. So let's see. Of course, I love to take risks, and where there is risk, there is reward. Na, risk hai to isk hai.
Yes, sir. Well, that was a very interesting feature, and I love the part where the pig starts dancing, and sir, and it is a very interesting aspect you added to your app, sir. I'm very excited to answer all the questions of all the booklets I have read till now and do my bit to see India as a developed nation. Apart from this, is there some other way that I can help and my viewers can contribute to this noble cause?
Oh yeah, that's so nice of you to ask this question, Aditya. Uh, so yes, one is you have to answer the questions and help for India's development, as you rightly said. You know what? We have been working on this project, I and Fareed, for last 2 years, creating the questions and the three options as answers. I have hardly created any of these. Who did this? All these questions? Hundreds and thousands of booklet readers like you, out of those 20 lakh readers, have been working on this project, creating questions on the summaries of in booklet app. Now, of course, there was proofreading by other people, but because I have all the questions, it is not practically possible to go through all the questions, check the grammatical errors. So there could be few errors in the questions, maybe spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, the construction of sentences going wrong. Yeah, so, which is I'm very very cautious about it because it's all about reading. So you will hardly see any mistakes in my book summaries. These questions and answers might have mistakes because I have not checked them personally. So I would like you to point out the mistakes whenever you answer the questions, so that we together can help the future readers. So I just want your help.
Well, sir, thank you. Thank you for sharing such an interesting feature and making this so that children across India can benefit from this. And you are doing your bit, of course, to contribute India from various aspects. So, thank you, sir, for doing that. And
Awesome. Thank you so much, Aditya. It's always
yes,
so exciting to talk to you. One thing I would like to announce through our platform, uh, all the needy students, boys and girls of India who have lost their earning member of the family, it could be mom, dad, anybody, and now because of that, they are in a hand to mouth situation, which is affecting their journey of education. Please approach me at bookletguide@gmail.com, and the money that will be raised because of you answering the questions, people like you, that money will be given to such needy students.